So here's how to fix Twitch not sending verification code. So first you want to make sure that Twitch number is not blocked on your phone. So you can press on the logo on the top right hand side and then click on spam and blocked. And now check the numbers here to see if Twitch is within this list. Now if it is, you can simply select it and then click unblock, or this icon on the top right hand side next to the delete, to unblock the number. And then you want to go to the Twitch application and try again. Now if that still does not work for you, what you can do is go to the Play Store, and then you will need to download an app which is called Twilio Authy. So you want to type Authy like this and then search for it. And as you can see, this Twilio Authy Authenticator, press on install. Now once it's installed, you want to open the app and you will be prompted to enter your phone number. So pick your country and enter your phone number, which should be the exact number that you have used on your Twitch account. And then you'll be prompted to enter your email address and receive a code to your email and enter it for verification. And now you will need to verify your phone number using one of these methods. So I'm going to press on receive an SMS message. Now, once you verified your phone number, you should see Twitch show up on the application, but it's not visible here for some reason, maybe for privacy reasons. If not, you can press on the add button on the application, and then you'll need to press on scan QR code button, and that should prompt you to scan your QR code from Twitch so you can add it to the application. And that should be a secondary way of getting to your Twitch account without receiving a SMS code. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.